Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to contact Fiverr customer support via email or message. If you're facing issues with your account, orders, or payments, let's jump right in. So first, log in into your Fiverr account on your computer or mobile browser. This time I'm using mobile browser or web browser rather. Make sure you're signed in before you try to contact support. This helps Fiverr track your issues more accurately. Now, for you to go to Fiverr Help Center, you're gonna just click your profile here and go to help and support. So you're going to see here the different kinds of categories regarding what issues you're facing. So just pick among the 9. So let's say we're having trouble with our payments and withdrawals. So you're going to click that one. And this is the related topics about payments and withdrawals. But we can't find what we're looking for. Therefore, just scroll down at the bottom and click contact us. So you're gonna start a new chat with your Fiverr customer help. So let's just wait. Okay, so let's say my payment attempt failed. So this is how the chat will support you, but we want to submit a ticket, or we want to submit an email. Therefore, you're going to click submit a customer support ticket. So this is Fiverr's version of sending an email. So they use a ticket system instead. So you're going to fill out this form. So for you to be able to further implicate your request. So be specific and polite. For example, hi, I'm having trouble with my payment. It won't go through. I hope you can look into it. Look into it as soon as possible. Thanks. So you're gonna click submit. So just let's wait for the response. So here you see that we have a request ID. So therefore that ID will be sent into your Gmail or what account you use for your Fiverr account. So for mine, I use Gmail. So here we have here. So this is a confirmation email, and Fiverr usually replies within 24 to 48 hours. So if you don't see a reply, just check your spam folder here. You can see here, or promotions folder. That's it. You successfully contacted Fiverr support here. Thank you for watching.